In this video, I will show you how to make a classical and edgy necklace. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories while increasing the integration of recycled material in our work. We have started a journey in sustainability. We also recycle, upcycle, restyle, upstyle, reuse and repurpose. So if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. These are our materials for today. I've got a fine ribbon for the necklace, which will be a choker necklace, and I have got a ribbon. So I've got lace and ribbon. I've got different flowers that I intend to use, but I haven't decided yet which one I'm going to use. I also have got this beautiful shimmer silver flower, which it just will give more depth and dimension. So our tools: heated cold gun, scissors, pliers, lighter, glue, craft glue, cutter, and the pickers. So we also, on our finds, have got jump rings of 2 different sizes. We've got a clasp and we've got cord endings. So we may need more things, so we'll pick them in our way. So as usual, the video will be silent, so please enjoy. First of all, I want to mention that I need to make this cord in 6 pieces, so that So this is my take on a classic modern edgy choker necklace with lace, ribbon and half beads. Thanks for watching. Stay wonderful and humble. Thank you.